Your MCP client needs to launch a FastMCP server, but you're tired of manually writing JSON configurations that might break when shared across different environments or clients. We'll see how FastMCP 2 standardizes this with a clean, predictable structure, where every server's command, arguments, and environment variables are defined in a single, reusable format that works everywhere.
Server name. Command, executable. Args, arg1, arg2. Env, value.
This demonstrates the configuration as code pattern for server management, where infrastructure and runtime parameters are declared in a structured, version-controlled format rather than hard-coded or set through manual processes. The approach uses a standardized JSON schema to define executable commands, arguments, and environment variables as a single declarative unit. What makes this distinctive is its separation of deployment concerns from application logic, enabling consistent server behavior across different environments without modifying the underlying code. The pattern works by externalizing all runtime configuration into a portable, client-agnostic format that tools can consume programmatically. Clients parse the JSON structure to determine how to launch and manage servers, while the configuration itself remains environment-agnostic through the use of absolute paths and explicit dependencies. This creates a clear contract between the server implementation and its execution context, allowing the same configuration to work across development, CI, and production environments without modification. This approach solves the problem of environment-specific configuration drift and manual setup errors. By codifying server requirements in a machine-readable format, teams can version control their infrastructure alongside application code, ensuring reproducible deployments. The trade-off is initial setup complexity, but the payoff comes in reduced onboarding time for new developers, consistent behavior across machines, and the ability to treat server configurations as first-class artifacts in your deployment pipeline. It's particularly valuable in AI tooling ecosystems, where clients need to discover and launch servers with specific dependencies and environment settings. Let's break it down line by line. This opens a JSON configuration object. It defines the structure for server configurations, where each key is a server name mapping to its specific execution parameters.
Server name.
This defines a server configuration entry using the server name as the dictionary key. Each key represents a distinct server instance with its own command, arguments, and environment variables, enabling parallel server management in the configuration.
Command, executable.
Specifies the executable to launch for this server configuration. This is the entry point command that starts your service, typically a compiled binary or script interpreter.
Args, arg1, arg2.
The args array specifies command line arguments passed to the executable. This is where you configure runtime behavior like ports, modes, or feature flags, overriding defaults without modifying the underlying command. The pattern mirrors how you'd invoke the server from a terminal, just structured as JSON.
Env.
The env key defines environment variables for the server process. This injects configuration at runtime, overriding system defaults for this specific server instance. Critical for managing secrets, feature flags, or runtime-specific settings without modifying the underlying command.
Env value.
This defines environment variables for the server process. Overrides or supplement system environment variables, ensuring consistent configuration across different deployment environments. This closing curly brace terminates the environment variables dictionary, completing the server configuration block. It maintains proper JSON structure, ensuring all nested elements are correctly contained within their parent objects. Closes the environment variable dictionary and completes the server configuration block. This final brace ensures proper JSON structure, terminating the nested configuration for this specific server instance. Closes the JSON configuration object. This final brace ensures valid JSON syntax, terminating the server configuration block and preventing parsing errors. Declarative server configuration. FastMCP's JSON configuration pattern replaces imperative CLI commands with version-controlled, environment-specific declarations that unify development and production workflows. Environment variables in the config are resolved at runtime, not at definition time, which can lead to silent failures if they're missing during server startup. The most maintainable configurations use separate files for each environment: dev, FastMCP, JSON, prod, FastMCP, JSON with shared schema validation.
The configuration that disappears into convention becomes the infrastructure that never breaks.